discussion about the programming. What is the programming? Why we need the programming for the computer? Okay, what is the little bit history of these programming languages? So let's do a little bit discussion on these things. Then we will jump on to the our Java side and all that. Okay. So guys, anybody have an idea why we need a programming language for computer?
So it can understand what you're trying to make the commands.
Okay.
Giving instructions for the program to run a specific
Okay.
commands.
Okay, yes, this is right, guys. Like we need a programming language to give the command to the computer. So why only a programming language? Why we cannot write the commands or write the instruction in the simple English language or in a simple other language?
Because that's the only language program understands.
Sorry, can you repeat again?
I mean, that's the only language the computer understands to run a program.
Yes. So guys, keep in mind, computer doesn't understand our English alphabets, or computer doesn't understand the human language. Only the one language that the computer is understanding, that is known as machine language. So whatever the instruction that we have to given to the computer, we have to write in a machine language. Then computer will understand. So just this is if we can take a common life example. If we are talking to the some person who belongs to China, for example, and he only knows Chinese and we know English and he doesn't know the English, to communicate with each other, so definitely we need some third person who will translate his language into English and our to in Chinese. Then the communication will happen. So in the same way, guys, as computer only understand the machine language, so everything that we have to write in a computer, that we have to write in a specific format, and that specific language must have to be converted into a machine language to perform some operation. Okay. Now let's dig into, guys. So therefore, guys, the programming language is most important. If you want to talk with the computer, we have to talk with computer with its language, not with the human language. So therefore, we not need to know to the programming language to develop any software, to run anything inside the computer. So basically all the things that you guys are using in the computer, for example, I'm using this PowerPoint, we are using web-based applications. So all these are developed in some of the programming language, because we have to follow some rules and regulations, some syntaxes to write that language.